GA dan GU.
Okay, I think GU was quite interesting. So GA was quite interesting this time. Sebab somehow apa AUD was quite strong for ni. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so boleh nampak screen saya?
Wait, belum. Sekejap.
Belum.
Okay, done. Yes.
Okay, so we look at the daily time frame. Okay, I think GA we kind of analyze akan ada support and then there be a minor retracement. Okay, but GA, okay, or the denominator AUD was quite strong. I think we mentioned these three currency we need to give a bit of a 2 or 3 weeks untuk dia strengthen. Okay, before I mention it, it might be a US dollar, then probably JPY. Okay, so last week, kind of as predicted, AUD, NZD, and Canada was quite strong. Okay, so that pushed this pair, which it broke the support that we were talking about it, and then it made a new lower low. So sekarang ni, I think it's sitting at a quite 1.82 ataupun 1.81 50 plus punya zone. So it might become again support, but then currently AUD is quite strong. Okay, and then just now from based on the news, we have some news coming out on Monday or Tuesday. Let me just Tuesday. Okay, so the news coming out on Tuesday. Okay, so maybe up until Tuesday, or maybe there'll be a minor retracement, and then Tuesday there's a minor fake out ataupun spike ke bawah, then only boleh ke atas. Okay, sebab GBP on Thursday, there is a interest rate meeting. So if you ask me, I would probably say there may be another leg down. Okay, that means most likely there'll be another lower low if this support cannot hold. Okay, so we go and look at the lower time frame. Kalau nampak kat sini, it just broke before market close last Friday. Okay, so on the left side, we are seeing there are few times market was holding quite strongly at 1.82 towards 1.8150 ataupun 1.8160 punya zone. Okay, so higher chance there might be a little retracement. Okay, but as I mentioned it, sometimes when the market is too strong on the bearish, we might see another lower low before we can see a retracement or reversal. Okay, so we don't know whether it's going to be a retracement or reversal at this point, because AUD, NZD, or the commodity currencies or COMDOS we call it, all of them are quite strong. Okay, so this might be a bit risky. Okay, but if you guys want to scalp or intraday, or you can manage your risk, then probably can go for maybe about 20 to 100 pips punya movement to just scalp dekat zone ni lah. But just bear in mind there is a risk somewhere here, because the next support looking like a very strong support is around one. Okay, maybe I take even here, there is another 150 to 200 pips punya zone. That means this zone. Okay, so if you guys can take a risk, then by all means go for it. Otherwise, try to play safe. Maybe wait and when market reaches here. But again, we have always this FOMO, orang kata penyakit FOMO. So you don't want to lose because you're worried the market might not come down. It might just go straight. So you want to enter here. If you do that, then just calculate your risk, and then by all means go for it. But I think high chance it probably come down a bit, because there is a Aussie news and it's a bit more hawkish than currently that we are looking at GBP also we are looking at hawkish, but there is some sentiment not so in favor of GBP versus AUD. So AUD looking very, very strong at this point. Okay, because market is looking for high yield currencies ataupun high beta currencies to what do you call, to take opportunity for at least for the next couple of weeks before market probably turn the other way around on the risk off mode. Okay, so I think there's still some room for Aussie, NZD, Canadian dollar to strengthen a bit before they started to weaken. Okay, so that's on the GA. I think GU kind of we can see US dollar is making dia punya apa move. So we saw strong rejection around 1.38. I think this we predicted sometime about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So 1.38 50 looking like a strong resistance. So now market is showing what do you call, strong rejection, and we can see if you call it this as a neckline, then it's already broken neckline. So very likely market might come back, test again, or test here, okay, slightly lower, make another lower high, and then move down. Otherwise, market orang kata masa GBP punya meeting just spike up a bit, then during NFP go down, ataupun dia pergi ke bawah dulu sebelum FMC, okay, and then masa FMC, lepas FMC turun ni, masa GBP punya BOU meeting goes up and then come down. So the direction, as I keep mentioning, for me personally, I'm still looking at it US dollar strength, so it's still for me sell on rally. So any chances, any rejection, just keep selling it. If you want to go for scalp or intraday to take about 20 to 60 or 80 pips, then by all means you can scalp on the long positions. Okay, so that's on the GBP USD. Good.